How would you work out the answer to this question here using long division? Well, I'm going to show you a method called DMSB that you can use in any long division question, so keep watching. So first of all, we take the number 735 and we're going to divide it by 3. So as a written method, we often call this bus stop method. We put the 3 outside the bus stop, which is the divisor. We then place the 735 inside the bus stop, because it looks a bit like a bus stop, doesn't it? And that is the dividend. And then the first thing that we do is we use the DMSB, so we use the division part of it. So we work out how many times does 3 go into our first digit of our dividend, which is 7. So this is where we do 7 basically divided by 3. So here are 7 pencils, and we are going to share them equally into groups of 3. So here is my first group of 3. Here's my second group of 3, and I have 1 remainder. So the answer is 2 remainder 1. So I have to write 2 at the top as my answer. So this is part of my quotient. And then I use M and do 3 multiplied by 2 and write the answer underneath the 7, which makes 6. I then use S for my DMSB method and take them away. So 7 take away 6 we know is 1. We then bring down the second digit, which is 3 in our dividend. So our new question is, how many 3's go into 13, or what is 13 divided by 3? So again, I have 13 pencils, and if I group them into 3's, I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, remainder 1. So the answer is 4 remainder 1. So we place the 4 at the top here in our answer, and we now multiply. So we do 3 multiplied by 4 and it makes 12. So we place this underneath the 13. We then go and subtract with S. We know 13 take away 12 is 1, and we finally go with B, which is to bring down the final digit, which here is a 5. And our final question is, how many lots of 3 go into 15? So we're back to the division, and we know that 3 times by 5 makes 15. So our answer must be 245.